Good day, everybody. So it's raining and it's awesome that it's raining. I'm gonna show you guys something. All these drainages we did for the water, they're working. Spectacular. Let's go outside, I'll show you. All the rain's coming down. And by the way, found another bird's nest. It's a robin. Robin lives there. This rain is coming down. So this drainage is working. All the water coming down off the roofs. It's going to this ditch out that way, and it's just about getting ready to roll over the edge there. But the one I want to show you, oh, it's raining. I'm gonna walk out here. Hopefully I don't slip. Where is it? Where is it? Look at this right here. There we go. See it? The water running and running and out that way, and you see it running over there. That means it's working. And man, it's raining. Also right here, this is the one that makes me real happy. Look at this. See the water coming down that trench, and it's running. It's a little river. Get under a tree. Right here, look. Running, and it's all connecting, going that way. Creek's really up right now. The rain's really coming down. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna get inside. Just wanted to show you that. This child just spent the last 30 minutes running around looking for her, and she's playing in a puddle over here. Abby, what are you doing? You gotta fix this drainage issue. Gotta get some gutters up. Let them go there because we're getting puddled up right here. What are you doing, child? Look at me. A little rain never hurt nobody, none. Alright, be careful, okay? It's warm. It's like a warm summer rain. So I'm gonna get under here, but woo, it's coming down. Who showed up? Our little explorer. What is that?
Rock is puddly.
Yeah, it's puddly. It's dirty rock. Oh, Abby, I like your boots. And you just stepped all over my hat. My hat. Oh, put your hood on. Okay, let's check this birdhouse out. What are we doing with the birdhouse? We took it down. We're gonna give it a red roof right there. The green is all gonna be black, and then the white parts we're gonna repaint white. It was just stuffed with old bird's nests. We cleaned it out yesterday, and we're gonna make it look beautiful and put it back up. So that's the project for today. So we're just kind of working on washing it here. But that's the birdhouse before, and hopefully today we'll see an after. She's fighting her fears, finally making it up the steps on her own. Good job. See? That was easy. What are you doing? Hey. Good job, sweetheart. You got another little explorer right here just chilling. Today, the adventures of Abigail. What are you doing? Hey. Oh boy. Someone's having too much fun. They forgot how to talk. The brave soul, first time descending by herself. Hey, Abby, behave. And apparently she thinks she's an animal. Hey, stop. You're gonna slip. It's wet out there. Come here. Okay, the birdhouse is clean and ready to be painted. So we're gonna paint this thing. We're gonna do white where the white is, and where the green is we're gonna do all black. So the white is gonna go on first, and then it's gonna have a red roof.
I want the camera down.
You want the camera down? Daddy's gonna be painting right now. Try this. See how it goes. Oh, nice. Actually goes down fairly nice. I just don't want any drips, so I'm gonna do light flares. Wow, that looks very nice actually. Mask would probably be a good idea, but have that luxury right now. I don't know. I would even paint the whole thing white. It looks good.
Those look really nice.
Look at this.
Ooh.
See how this looks up front here. Some of this.
Really nice.
I'll get the roof underneath first. Got that. Then do the doors lightly.
Ooh.
We don't need to do much on the doors because they're white already. Looks good.
It freshens it up for sure.
Yeah, I don't know, maybe we should just do this all white.
Let's do it white and see what it looks like.
Let's do it. I think it looks good.
Hey, get down.
Abigail, here, back up a little bit so you don't smell the paint, okay?
It's yucky.
It's yucky paint. It's hard to get from the back.
I want to take a video too.
Abby, you are already the star of the video today.
Yes,
with your
you
rain
are.
adventures. Let's see how that looks. Doesn't look too bad.
I want to take a rain.
We'll do a second coat later, but stand back. I like it all white.
I kind of like the black.
Black a little bit?
Yeah, just on these
Yeah,
right here.
we'll do
I
it.
want to take a
Okay, good. Then that's the plan.
No,
Sounds good. Well, this is the progress shots.
It looks good, just white and then with the little shrimps. Abigail? Alright. I'm gonna do a couple of light layers and then I'm trying to get this roof underneath too. So it looks nice under there. And under here. It's all green. So it stays. Alright, check this out. See this? That's a bullet hole. And then on this side over here, on this side, there's a bullet hole. And right here is a bullet hole. And right here is a bullet hole. So you can just imagine the type of people that lived here before. They had no regard for animals, that's for sure. Looks like they were shooting the birds in the birdhouses. The birdhouse, we painted it white. It's looking so sharp, and we gave it a red roof so it matches all the other buildings on the property. Is that right, Abigail?
Yes.
Yes. So it's beautiful, and we're gonna make those little rods right here. The little rods, they're all gonna be black, so they're gonna be with a nice accent. It looks pretty. Look at the bullet holes though. Man, this turned out real. Hey, don't touch it!
Still wet, Abigail.
It's still wet.
Back up, please.
Yeah, but it looks nice. So that was the project for today. Well, that's a wrap for today. Got the birdhouse painted. Oh, please note, I have this coming. I have on my hand. Oh, it's starting to rain again. Got this on my hand. So apparently, I have multiple torn shoulder muscles. It's not looking good. I wanted to see if I can catch that robin up there, but every time I come close, he just flies away. But anyway, so I'm gonna have this strap on for just a little bit longer until some muscle heals up, or I might even need surgery. I got a doctor's appointment. They're supposed to tell me what's going on here in a week or so. But anyway, thanks for sticking around. I got some exciting stuff happening next couple of days, so you guys don't want to miss it. Don't want to miss that. Anyway, God bless, and see you later.